Well, good day, everyone. Welcome back to the life and the times of Tom and Zen. But here having my coffee, getting ready to go out and do something this morning. And yeah, it's a bright, sunshiny day, not a cloud in the sky. It'll be a nice day to do a project. Hopefully I'll get this muffler worked on, at least put on, and see what happens with that. And then I think it's going to be time we get through with that, it's going to be too much sun on the side of the bus for me to work on the painting because it's going to be in the sun. It's going to be too hot. The bus will be really, really too hot because once that metal heats up, whew, it is hot. But yeah, Zen and I were going to walk down and get our mail this morning, and or packages. I had 5 packages supposed to be in. I had 4 come in yesterday, and then 2 of them are stickers are here. Our new stickers are here, so just 2 packages. So we're going to walk down, and then I got a notification before I started this video that, hey, my Walmart order showed up today too at the post office. So which means it'll be tomorrow before it gets processed through my Moon Mountain mail. So I think we'll just wait and go down tomorrow and pick up all of our stuff instead of making 2 trips. I mean, it's better for me and Zen, I guess. Have to take Zen, 2 more miles, 4 more mile round trip. So we'll just do it in 1 trip instead of 2. And we'll get that done. But in the meantime, we're going to go out here and see if we can get started on a project for the day and get myself kind of in a role to get things going. So in about a month, when we're ready to leave, we pack up and we're gone. So let's get out and see if we can get this project started. Well, let's crawl under here and see what we've got going on. This muffler, I've already kind of got it somewhat laid out. There it is. It's bigger than the other one. But here's the area I'm going to point out here. Let me get my camera set up here. This is the area I'm looking at. As you can see here, I already got a mark here. That's where I need to cut the pipe to fit into, and the other bracket up there I need to take off because this muffler here is actually a 1/4 inch bigger than that pipe coming out of the engine and this pipe here. So that means they should slide over, and then I can lock it down with one of these. I already have 1, so I need 2. So put that on and see how it does. But that seems to be where I need to go at. And the other muffler was too small. Like I said, this is 3.5, and the other one was 3, so it's too small. So I need it bigger. And this is one point where size does matter, because I need to have it the same size because I don't want to restrict it down. The exhaust coming out, closing down, and getting bigger. I want it a good flow through off the engine. So let's get around here and see if I can start hacking something up. Hopefully it should be okay. I mean, I'm just going to make 1 cut. So if anything else goes wrong, once I cut this off, if it doesn't fit or do something, I can put this back on with the clamp and then worry about it later, or take it to a muffler shop or something. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. So let me grab some tools and see if I can get this cutting under here. Cut this one in somewhat of a straight line. And hopefully, I'm going to measure a couple more times just in case, because you know how it goes. Once you cut once, you can't, it's hard to add it back on. So, but that's what I'm looking at. So let me get to work and see if we can get this muffler on and quiet this baby down. And there we have it. There's the pipe cut off already. I used my saw, leather gloves, all my safety gear. And here's what it looks like underneath. There we go. What do you think? That's going to work fine. That was a pretty easy cut. 1 cut, because the other side was already taken loose and just slid right out. That thing went in, 10 minutes. So we're going to see if that helps quiet this thing down and not sound like a race car going up hills. It will slow down a little bit on my power because the other one straight through had a little bit more power than this one when it's straight through, but it also made a lot noisier. So we'll see what happens. My fuel mileage has always been 8 to 9 on the highway. And when they cut that tailpipe off, and muffler off, and put the straight pipe in, I got to 9.1. So it didn't really change too much. But if you're asking one reason why, get the muffler cut off. Well, here's what happened here when I first took the bus in, and I'll show you what it was doing. as you can tell in that previous clip, that's why the bus went in the shop in May of 2024, because it was starting to smoke. Just suddenly started smoking, had no power, and it just was running terrible. So they took it in, and the mechanic thought, well, a couple things after a few tests, that my muffler may be plugged up because it was almost 20 years old. And then I had a high back pressure, which means there's something that's not letting the exhaust push out. So they went ahead and cut the muffler off, and I had an option to either put on a straight pipe or back with the muffler. I said, well, just put a straight pipe on and see what it does. So they did that, and also changed one sensor that was still working fine, but they went ahead and changed it anyway. So everything was running pretty good. I picked it up out of the shop, and guess what? Drove about 25 miles back towards my campground in Utah, and I pulled over for a moment, and the thing started smoking so bad you couldn't see behind me. Smoking and smoking and no power and just smoking. It did it one time. Mr. Walden is pretty finicky, but it did it one time until about 9 months later. Then it did this. And look what the bus was doing all of a sudden. Come on, bus. Come over here and see if we can get this thing cleaned out. I don't know, all was just started doing that. It's like, what in the world's going on with this thing? And you saw in that clip, that was 9 months later. Started doing it again. Doing the same thing I did 9 months earlier. Did it one time. It's been almost a year now, and it hasn't done it since. Mr. Finicky Walden, you keep going, but you kind of give me questions once in a while. But yeah, that's what we're doing. That's why we replaced the muffler. So now we know that the muffler wasn't the issue. So, well, was not all of the issue. It might have been part of it, but the muffler was almost 20 years old when they took it off. Possible? Who knows? And with that, we'll call this project done. We'll get to move on to the next project. So everything's connected, everything's running, and the project is completed. So we'll say thanks everybody for watching. Catch you guys up on the next one.